mga tunay na pastol na hindi napapagod sa pagmamahal at paglilingkod. Atin pong simulan ang pagbibigay parangal sa ating mga pastol. Pastor Jonathan Duarte from Escuela Community Baptist Church San Pascual, Masbate. Serves 5 years pastor. And Pastor Dennis C. Kalinawan, the Miriam Community Baptist Church. Poblacion Los, Clementia, Masbate. And Pastor Dave H. Albon. Pastor Roel H. Geraldo from Mount Sinai Baptist Church. Pastor Rodolfo E. Bertilla, Amazing Grace Baptist Church, Patanga. Pastor Angelo Ibanez, Amazing Grace Baptist Church, Imelda. Pastor Michael Idres, Cueva Baptist Church. Pastor Richard D. Hayo, Kanumay Baptist Church. Pastor Jonathan Hema, The Way Baptist Church. Pastor Kenneth Sumbayan, Pinamandayan Baptist Church, serving God for almost 3 years now. And Pastor Mark L. Cervantes, Kanumay Baptist Church, serving God for 4 years. Pastor Ruben Jungson, Amazing Grace Baptist Church, Mababa, Baybayin, serving God for 40 years. Pastor Jeric Ramirez, Pinamandayan Baptist Church, 4 years serving God. Pastor Michael P. Udenia, Grace Baptist Church from Nabasagan, Pagibio, Masbate, serving God for 5 years. Pastor Nicolas Lucinio, Mount Sinai Baptist Church, Papayao, San Pascual, Masbate, 5 years serving God. Pastor Jelven F. Amuro, Landmark Baptist Church, Sitio Mohon, Mabini, San Pascual, Masbate, 8 years serving God. Pastor Jomel C. Rosauro, Maganiki Baptist Church, Maganiki, San Pascual, 10 years serving God. Pastor Guillermo Bernal, Greenfield Baptist Church, 11 years. And Pastor Joshua H. Regalario, Maganiki Baptist Church, 11 years. Pastor Amador C. Bausa Jr., Claveria Community Baptist Church, Poblacion Los, Claveria, Masbate, 12 years. Pastor Norberto M. Capinid, Amazing Grace Baptist Church, Imelda, 12 years. Serving God. Pastor Rolly C. Catampo, Manipa Baptist Church, Manipa, Claveria, Masbate, 12 years serving God. Pastor Romeo C. Catampo, the Unity Baptist Church, San Vicente, Claveria, Masbate, 12 years serving God. Pastor Romeo Lupango, Grace Christian Church, Peña Francia, Claveria, Masbate, 13 years serving God. Pastor Jesse L. Saba, Halabang Baybay Community Baptist Church, 15 years serving God. Township of Camanaba, Marias, 16 years serving God. Pastor Ruel Catampo, Poblacion Baptist Church, Panalo, 15 years serving God. Pastor Renato C. Aragon, Pinamandayan Baptist Church, San Pascual, Masbate, 18 years in serving God. Pastor Randy A. Paulo, God's Flocks, Christian Fellowship, San Pascual, 18 years. Pastor Reggie T. Bendel, Mapaniki Baptist Church, San Pascual, Cabanilla, Masbate, 18 years in serving God. Pastor Loreto de los Reyes, Redemption Baptist Church, 19 years in serving God. Pastor Solito Matalinghod, Halabang Baybay Community Baptist Church, 20 years in serving God. Wow, amazing. Certificates. And Pastor Robinson G. Lilis, Claveria Community Baptist Church, Poblacion Dos, Claveria, Masbate, 22 years in serving God. Palapalan ko na rin ang ating mga pastors. Pastor Miguel Rosauro, Ironero Baptist Church, San Pascual, Masbate, 22 years. Wow. Pastor Kobe Pipito, Mount Sinai Baptist Church, serving God for almost 23 years. Amazing. Pastor Jesse Lucinio, Ibuaya Baptist Church, San Pascual, Masbate, serving God for 26 years. Pastor Aladin Berdan, Gloryland Baptist Church, and serving God for almost 28 years. Pastor Melchor Cervantes, Mapaniki Baptist Church, Mapaniki, San Pascual, Masbate, 28 years in serving God. Pastor Julio Irubis, the Bible Community of Madanlog, Sitio Madanlog, Duyut, Algeria, Masbate, 8 years in serving God. Pastor Benji C. Pitinho, Intercessor Christian Fellowship, Mabini, San Pascual, Masbate, 29 years in serving God. And Pastor Ronel A. Marianito, Builders Baptist Church and Claveria Community Baptist Church, 37 years in serving God. Pastor Arnel A. Marianito, Sorsogon Baptist Church, Converge, Bibingkahan, Sorsogon City, 40 years in serving God. And syempre, Emilio. And syempre, Pastor Mardonio Marianito, Burias Island Missionary, 50 years in serving God. Wow.